Hi, good evening. I'm here in Cancun and in Grand Park Royal Luxury Resort. So I was watching him painting. And what is your name?
My name is George.
George?
George.
George.
Jorge.
Oh, so it's Jorge. I'm with Jorge. So I saw him. He's really good in painting. So guys, if you want to order his paint, you can actually message me. So in my Facebook and YouTube channel, so we could help him and he could make some money because he's a really good guy. So I'm showing you this one. So it's hand painted. I was thinking that he's doing in iPad, but it's not. So he's a talented man with a good heart. See there. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. See guys, you can order. It's very affordable, but it's in US, and then he can give you guys a good deal. So anybody that's interested, I would love to help him. So it's Jorge. So he's making it now. So Jorge, how many years you're doing this painting?
I think it's 25 years.
Oh, wow,
Yeah.
25 years, guys. Wow, that's nice. So 25 years that he's making it. So he's doing this, guys, with this one. See? That is so natural. You are so talented, Jorge.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you do this for a living?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So do you have any like social media that we can find? Like social media like Facebook? Do you have Facebook?
I
That,
I have Facebook.
uh-huh.
Choose Facebook.
Okay, so anybody can order, right?
Yeah.
And would you be able to ship it? Like you
Um,
can send it to their place if they're gonna pay you a shipping? Yeah,
I don't remember.
I think so. Yes. So, but I would help you.
uh,
So if anybody that wants to order your art,
yeah.
so yes, we could do that, and then you could just ship to their house, right? And then they can pay you a shipping. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, that's good. So well, I'll focus that guy. That's what actually he's doing that for me. So I was yeah. So you can pick a design that you want. So he would make it. See. So this is what he said. It's a beach in a lighthouse, right?
Yeah.
Nice. So or he is very talented. So I love what he does. So it's inclusive that you're here, right? Every Friday. So he's gonna be here every Friday in Grand Park Royal Luxury Resort. And when you're not here, where they can find you if they are in Cancun?
Just in the hotel. I'm
Just
working in the hotel.
in the
Yeah,
hotel.
because in downtown I can.
Ah, you can't.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're always here every
Yes.
Friday. Every Friday.
Every Friday.
Every Friday. So guys, if you come to Grand Park Luxury Hotel or resort, yeah. So I would just correct that, guys. Is Grand Park Royal Luxury Resort. If you are here, please visit Jorge's booth. So you can help him by buying his paint. So he's doing a good job. He's really talented, guys. So please don't forget. You can see Jorge here every Friday, and please buy and support him because he's a good artist. So I like his what he does. So instead of going to the store inside the hotel, you can come here and he can make it for you. I would and buy it, guys. So Jorge, is this your own or part of the hotel?
Not different.
It's for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it everything if they buy for you, so it's gonna go to you directly.
I have a partner.
Oh, so
Yeah.
okay, so you have a partner. Okay, so you split with your partner, but not the resort. Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. That's good. So, you all, because I'm inviting everybody, if they come here, they can come to your booth and they can buy for you, right? Yeah. So it's just like easy. It's very easy. I love what he is. So that's so nice. Yes. So anybody can watch this, guys, and please come and support Jorge. So he's here every Friday at Grand Park Royal Luxury Resort, and it's cheaper actually. It's cheaper. So he also have a big one, and then it's different design, and you guys can pick your own design, and he will make it for you. There. So it's very nice. So so I love this one. This one's so nice. I love all your art.
Thank you.
Everything is so nice.
Thank you so much.
So this one and then this one. But you guys can make a request and he will make it. He will make it for you. It's affordable. So Jorge, keep doing what you're doing because you're a good artist.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. And I can see that you are a hardworking.
No.
Yes, you are hardworking. You work so hard for this art. This is a talent.
Thank
So
you.
you have a good talent.
Gracias.
Yeah. So you are born and raised here?
No.
No? So where are you from? Where are you from exactly?
Yucatan.
Okay. So is it far from here?
Yes. Some those all those area
Yeah.
is represent Mayan people.
Oh, Mayan. So you speak Mayan people.
A
A
little,
little.
not
Okay.
so much, because Papa Mama from
Yeah.
Yucatan, but really me,
Mm-hmm.
all my life is here.
Oh, it's here. So you grow up here.
Yes.
So if you don't mind me asking, are you married already?
Right now, no, I am single.
You're single. You have girlfriend. So that's good. So yeah, so for sure a lot of people are watching my YouTube and my Facebook. So and I also have people that's like I know a lot of people that's Spanish, Mexican and everybody. So they can support you. So yeah, they can actually buy your art, right?
You
They
see?
can order. So they can contact you in your Facebook.
Yes.
So I will ask your friend your Facebook account and then I can put at the bottom of my uh, video. So they can contact you directly. That sounds good?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much for allowing me to
Thank you.
take you a video.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Okay?
Gracias.
And you can follow me and then we can talk about
Okay.
it. Okay?
Sure, sure.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Jorge. And thank you for making that for me. It's very nice. There you go. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
I love it. And so here we go, guys. So that's Jorge there. And these are all the view outside the park. And that's Jorge's friends and everybody. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my Facebook. Thank you so much. Have a good evening, everyone. God bless.